So this is first job opening that we have, which is in MIC JOS cybersecurity. They're hiring for cybersecurity team as a pen tester, web police and pen testing. It's a remote and it's for freshers. So freshers, this is for you. A lot of people were asking ki how to get a job for freshers. So this is for you guys. But right now there's a lot of people, those who don't have knowledge about web police and pen testing, right? So it's a very important skill in cybersecurity. So you can learn from here, vihgroup.com/TCI. This is the best possible training and internship that we have, where you're going to get the experience at. So it will be best for in the future. Now next thing is Next Technogen Private Limited. They are hiring for digital policy intern and training, which is in Noida. Duration 3 months, and job and all those things will be given. If you want to apply, you can drop your resume. Parallelly, you need to drop application for digital function intern and your name in the subject line, and then on this email ntgpl abhishek.pradhan@ntgpl. So that's what we have. Next one is LTIM cybersecurity. They're hiring cybersecurity warriors. I don't know what position it is. Malware analysis, reverse engineering, and Java is something what they're looking for. Swati.mittal3@ltimindtree.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next one is associate analyst, right? 1 to 3 years of experience is required and 15 days notice period. There are a couple of responsibilities which will be given to you and the other requirement, right? Pyusa.amiti at pyusa.amiti.in. So guys, if you want to learn about SOC, you can check out this URL because it's also a very essential skills. And if you basically complete SOC or web listen pen testing that I told you last time, you'll get a job very easily. It's very easy, right? Next one is Abu Dhabi. Someone is hiring as an associate analyst. Again, this is the what they're going to pay you. 7 into analyst. What they're hiring? 4 years of experience. This is the mail ID. This is the what you need to write in the heading, and this is what they have, right? So you can pause and watch. Cybersecurity consultant, a security layer 7. This is one of the best company that we have today's job opening sharing series, right? You need to perform VAPT under expert mentorship and all those things. Why join us? You can read it out, pause and see. 6 months of internship. This is the mail ID sasang.sangavar@securedlayer.net. Next one is someone is hiring for network penetration tester. It's in Karnataka, Bangalore. 1 year of experience required and 1 year experience required. Check it out, industry and exposure in which they are going to post you. HR@isecurian.com is the mail. Network penetration testing full time is the role. What you need to add in the subject line. Next one is what the both the same, right? Entity data L2 associate analyst, 3 years of experience, incident responding, threat hunting, malware analysis, SIM, QRadar, all those things. Requirement is you should have knowledge about MITRE ATT&CK framework, technique, QRadar, SIM, and all those things. Python Bash admin asantoni.padua@global.entity is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Right. Next one is SOCL2. It's in Jalandhar, Punjab. They're hiring. Key responsibilities there. What they are looking for: 2 to 4 years of experience in SOC, right? L1, L2 handling and SIM tools knowledge for sure. This is mail ID hr@overit.in is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next one is cyber threat intelligence analyst, Saint Global IT Delivery Center. 5 to 7 years of experience is required. The other things you need to do, OSINT, CTI and all. Charisma.dalvi@santgloban.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Next one is they want to hire trainer, genetic AI and all those things, cybersecurity. Call it out, ask what you're hiring, and this is mail on which you can drop your resume. RSA architect SME 10+ years of experience required. So this is for someone who is having a lot of experience. So I'm just skipping it out. Next one is L2 support engineer. So this is responsible for advanced technique support and engineering expertise for managed devices. jit@jazz.io is the mail on which you can drop your resume. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for joining. If you want to learn about SOC, check out this URL. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out vihgroup.com/tc. right? So from here you can learn everything and you can get a lot of skills, knowledge, job, everything.